Want to know how to keep your license clean? There's no secret, obey the law. We'd rather point out the different speed detection systems than put points on that passport to pleasure. All safety cameras are situated at spots with a proven history of casualties involving death or serious injury. The Gatso uses radar to detect the speed and then photograph the rear of passing vehicles. Truvolo cameras use sensors embedded in the road to measure speed and can photograph both the front and rear of a vehicle. All speed enforcement technology is calibrated regularly. White grid marks on the road surface provide a secondary check of a rider's speed. Spec system cameras placed at regular intervals work out your average speed between 2 points. Don't try accelerating between them. Specs are often used to protect workers and road users at roadwork sites. This is a red traffic light camera. Vehicles crossing a stop line or red light break a magnetic field which triggers a photograph. They work 24 hours to capture offenders who jump red lights. Traffic Master cameras are blue in colour. They monitor vehicles and relay speeds to a control centre which broadcasts traffic information via subscribers' car radios. They don't record anything and have nothing to do with the law. Neither do these. They feed information to the National Traffic Control Centre, which then puts messages on roadside signs and the Highways Agency website. You'll also see these solar panels which power induction loops in the road. They count the traffic for the Highways Agency, which is responsible for managing trunk roads and motorways. Occasionally you'll see a video camera which provides a visual double check on their accuracy. And these are mini weather stations providing the Highways Agency with road condition data. A few have cameras too. Ever complained you don't get enough warning about cameras? Are you sure you're looking hard enough? All changes of speed limit have to be clearly signed. Camera warning signs are also positioned in advance of a safety camera site. There are also repeater camera warning signs throughout mobile sites, and the cameras are always highly visible because they're there to deter as well as detect. These warnings apply to cameras operated by safety camera partnerships. But the police are free to carry out covert speed enforcement where and when they see fit without warning. However, a marked police car or bike is as obvious as Santa's Christmas sleigh. But they use unmarked cars, don't they? Yes, they do. Which is why you should always be aware of the limit in force and always ride within the limits. To measure how fast you're going, police cars carry a camera system known as Police Pilot. Activated by a police officer, it records average speed over a measured distance. And the police now also use handheld laser equipment to check speed. Remember, there's a wide range of technology available to enforce speed limits. Lose your license for 2 wheels, and you've also lost it for 4 wheels.
I've been checking your speed using a device that's mounted in the car. That device is mounted to a video system. So if you'd like to come and take a seat in the car, I can play that back to you and explain how I've measured your speed.
Lose your license, and you don't just lose the privilege of great rides on great roads. If your job depends on driving or riding, you've lost your livelihood too. Now you know the warning signs and the kit. If you choose to speed, accept the consequences. Or have you seen the light?